In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GoCanvas with QuickBooks Online. We'll do this using Make, an automation platform that lets you connect apps without writing code. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have both services ready on a scenario canvas so you can link GoCanvas submissions to QuickBooks Online for smoother, more accurate bookkeeping. Before we start, make sure you can sign in to Make and that you have access to both a GoCanvas account and the correct QuickBooks Online company. It's also a good idea to keep a browser window open where you're already logged into those services and temporarily allow pop-ups, since authorization screens may appear in a new tab. Begin by opening your browser, going to your Make dashboard, and logging in. If you work in multiple teams or regions, confirm you're in the right organization and data center so your connections and scenarios appear where you expect them. You should now be on the main dashboard. Next, click on Connections. This section is where Make manages the links to the external services you'll use in your automations. Think of it as your address book for apps. If you already see entries for GoCanvas or QuickBooks Online, that's fine. If not, no problem. You'll be able to create them while building the scenario. From here, open the Scenario Builder. This takes you to the visual canvas where you design the workflow. Scenarios in Make are built by arranging modules for each app and then defining how data moves between them. You don't need to configure anything just yet. We're simply setting up the structure. On the empty canvas, click the plus icon. This is how you add your first module. A panel will appear with a search bar and a list of apps. In the search field, type GoCanvas, then select it. You're choosing the app you plan to pull data from. At this stage, you're just adding the app to the canvas. Detailed configuration comes later. Click the plus icon again to add your second module. Search for QuickBooks and select QuickBooks Online. If you see multiple QuickBooks options, choose the one specifically labeled Online. This will place the accounting app on your canvas alongside GoCanvas, ready for mapping and actions. That's it for the initial setup. You're signed into Make, you've reviewed the connections area, opened the Scenario Builder, added the first module for GoCanvas, and added the second module for QuickBooks Online. Your canvas now has both apps in place and is ready for you to define triggers, map fields, and authorize accounts when prompted. In the next phase, you'll connect the dots and test the flow so data moves from GoCanvas into QuickBooks Online exactly the way you need.